Your living room is more than just a place to relax, it's a reflection of your lifestyle, taste, and personality. If you're dreaming of a space that exudes elegance and sophistication, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share stunning luxury living room decorating ideas, stylish sofa design inspirations, and tips to help you create a high-end interior that feels both inviting and timeless. Let's get started. Defining luxury in living room design. Luxury isn't always about spending more. It's about creating a space that feels thoughtfully designed and effortlessly elegant. Start by choosing a neutral color palette with soft tones like beige, cream, charcoal, or warm gray. These shades form the perfect backdrop for metallic accents, textured fabrics, and bold statement pieces. Think about layout too. Luxury spaces feel open, balanced, and intentional. Every item should have its place, from artwork to accessories. Luxury sofa design ideas. The sofa is the centerpiece of any living room, and in a luxury space, it should be both stylish and comfortable. Choose plush, high-quality upholstery like velvet, leather, or textured linen. Curved and modular sofas are on trend, bringing softness and flow to your space. Go for deep seating and oversized cushions for that inviting, lounge-worthy vibe. Add accent chairs, a tufted ottoman, or a sleek chaise to complement your sofa and add elegance. Top it off with luxurious throws and curated cushions for a polished finish. Lighting that makes a statement. Lighting can completely transform your living room. Invest in a statement chandelier or pendant light to create a focal point. Add layered lighting with elegant floor lamps, sconces, or table lamps for warmth and ambience. Use dimmers to control the mood and highlight architectural features or artwork. The right lighting not only brightens the space but enhances its luxurious feel. Finishing touches that elevate the space. Complete your luxury living room with carefully chosen decor. Art pieces or large-scale wall decor to make a bold impression. Sculptural elements like vases, candle holders, and coffee table books add a designer touch. Use mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of space. Don't forget greenery, large indoor plants or elegant floral arrangements bring life and freshness. And always remember, in a luxurious living room, less is more. Keep it clean, elegant, and intentional. Ready to give your living room a luxurious makeover? Whether you're updating your sofa, adding statement lighting, or styling with rich textures, these ideas will help you create a space that feels both luxurious and livable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.